Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of grooming with the ultimate head shavers for bald men, a rotary electric razor that's cordless, rechargeable, and waterproof, offering a multifunctional shaving experience like no other. This 7-in-1 grooming kit is designed to meet all your daily needs with a range of interchangeable accessories, including an electric shaver, 2 replacement shaving heads, a precision trimmer, a nose and ear trimmer, limit combs, a soft facial sponge, and a facial cleansing brush, all powered by a USB charging cable. The professional 6D floating razor head, crafted from ultra-thin alloy material, features a 6-head rotary shaver that adapts to the contours of your face, ensuring a comfortable and smooth shave while saving you time and money with its extra replacement blades. With USB fast charging, this compact and lightweight shaver boasts a high-capacity lithium battery that charges in just 2 hours, providing up to 90 minutes of usage, so you can groom yourself anytime, anywhere. The intelligent LED display keeps you informed with an easy-to-read interface that shows usable time, shaving usage, charging reminders, and cleaning reminders, along with a 3-second lock function for safe transport. Fully washable, this electric razor offers both dry and wet shaving options with foam or gel, making it perfect for use in the bathroom and ensuring an efficient trimming task every time. So, whether you're at home or on the go, this head shaver is your all-in-one solution for a flawless grooming experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.